Okay, I had a question. I put your line mixer, that line mixer, in with that's a car amplifier and a power supply, and then that's um, under here. That's your the power supply to the line mixer. But what I did is I did a little soldering, so instead of the inputs being in the back, they are now on the side of the whole box. However, I am having problems with the line mixer sounding like a bunch of police sirens going off at the same time. So maybe you can help me. I don't know what's wrong with it, what I did. Maybe my soldering job isn't good or something. But yeah, listen to this. That's with no input, and it does it with input too. Let's see it. It just keeps doing that, and it doesn't. I turn the master down, and it just starts getting kind of worse. But when I turn the actual amplifier input down, it kind of goes away. It doesn't show up until about maybe 25% amp. I want to keep it up at least 75%, 80%. And of course it's there. You can hear it. I mean, there's a PC fan on right there, but there's weird siren stuff coming out. I don't know what to do to change it. So, let me know what I can do. Other than that, I mean, it sounds amazing when I plug my iPod in it. Hold on, I'll show you. Still has that whistling now. I mean, it's an amazing thing. It's just whistling, making funny noises. Maybe I did something wrong, or maybe I have to ground it somehow, or I don't know. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if it could be fixed, or if I'll just have to live with it. I mean, I could turn down the amp, and it goes away. And it still plays, but you have to turn up your input. Which I don't want to do if I'm going to be playing my bass guitar and I don't have a very high input level with that. So let me know what I can do. Thanks. All right.